Imagine a world where everyone practices yoga. Harmony, peace, and balance thrive everywhere. International Yoga Day is a chance to make this dream a reality. This day encourages millions to unite and experience yoga's benefits. Yoga is more than just exercise. It's a philosophy, a way of life. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. The goal is not just fitness, but overall well-being. Yoga Day, celebrated on June 21st, unites people globally. It emphasizes health awareness and mindfulness. Let's explore the key steps to join this wonderful celebration. First, find a local event. Many cities host yoga sessions outdoors. It could be in parks, beaches, or plazas. Check online or social media for local announcements. Next, invite friends and family to join you. Sharing this experience enhances enjoyment. Yoga is accessible for all, regardless of age or skill. Third, arrive early to get a good spot. This also allows for time to warm up. Connecting with fellow yogis can enhance the experience. During the session, follow the instructor's guidance. Focus on your breath and movements. Feel the energy of the community around you. For those unable to attend, practice at home. There are endless free online classes. Choose a video that resonates with you and flow together. As you practice, think of a yoga intention. Set a goal for your practice or life. This could be peace, balance, or gratitude. To summarize, International Yoga Day is about embracing wellness. Join a local event, invite loved ones, and practice mindfully. Yoga connects you with yourself and others. Let's celebrate together this June 21st. Join a session or practice at home. Share your experience on social media with #International Yoga Day. Start your journey towards balance today.